Hi, Carlonda, and hello, everyone. Today, my podcast is with Dr. Carlonda Reilly, the CTO of Kennametal. And just to give our listeners a brief introduction, Kennametal is a major worldwide tool manufacturer who has partnered with SolidCAM. So, Carlonda, can you give us a brief overview of Kennametal and your role as CTO?
Yes. Well, as you said, Kennametal is a worldwide corporation, and we make tooling and tools, high precision tools for a lot of different industries. If you've flown in an airplane, if you've ridden in an automobile, most likely, more times than not, those parts and components on those type of things have been built with the tooling from Kennametal. So we're very proud of that heritage. We've been a company for about 86 years now. We serve transportation on our metal cutting side. We serve medical space, which is a growing space for us. So we serve a variety of industries with our solutions in tooling and wear.
Right. That's something about manufacturing. It's everywhere.
Yeah,
You see it in airplanes, like you said, in aircraft, cars,
yeah.
everything.
So if our customers have built it, there's been a good and it's made with some level of metal. There's a good indication that Kennametal has been involved with our high precision tooling. So in my role as Chief Technology Officer, I lead our research, development, and engineering organization. So we work on everything from discovery, if you will, of materials, a lot of material science, to product development, product engineering, design engineering. So we design all of our products and all of our tooling. And we also develop the manufacturing processes to make the tooling. And our engineering department also works on the process innovations that go into our plant sites, including automation and smart factory. So I have responsibility, if you will, kind of from end to end technology from discovery all the way to implementation at our plant sites.
Wow. I think you must work around the clock.
It keeps us busy for
I'm
sure.
sure it
For
does.
sure. And we have so our R&D, RD&E organization, research, development, and engineering, is a global organization.
All right.
And we have three R&D facilities around the world. I guess you could say they're the state of the art facilities, but then we also have engineering hubs located around the world as well, and
Wow.
primarily located at our manufacturing site. So we have people in technology all over the world, really able to meet the customer needs where the customers are.
So, how did the collaboration between Kennametal and SolidCAM begin? What were the goals of this partnership?
Yeah. Well, we're always looking for ways to deliver solutions, advanced solutions, solutions that our customers can use to better make their components or their parts. And so we have a lot of tooling knowledge and capability and expertise. And one way to more efficiently bring how those tools can work with with the capability like SolidCAM and the SolidCAM software brings, it just is a great marriage. You marry our tools, our knowledge and know-how with SolidCAM software, and I think this is something that we can use to help bring more efficient solutions to our customers, whether we use the software or whether our customers use the software. Marrying those two things together, I think, really provides a benefit for our customer in that way.
Absolutely. So, what are the some of the most important benefits Kennametal has seen by partnering with SolidCAM? For example, what can you tell us about the connection of the Kennametal tool data into the SolidCAM software? What are the
Yeah,
benefits for the end users?
yeah. So really having being able to access SolidCAM, and you can see that from our website, kennametal.com. You can get to SolidCAM. We have made our tool data and all of our tool library available to SolidCAM. So if you're in SolidCAM and you say, "Hey, I have this design that I want to make, or this part or component that I want to make," you can go right into SolidCAM, go into our tool selector. You can access our tool library directly from SolidCAM. Select the tools that you want. You can select the parameters that you need, and the data is already input into SolidCAM. So the integration between the two systems I think, is very seamless. And being able to do that really just gives the user much more power in terms of the solutions that they want for the component that they need to make. So it's a really powerful way of being able to visualize and utilize the software with our tooling in order to visualize a solution that they want for the machining of the component that they need.
Yeah, this way of working so seamlessly is so good. It's really okay. So,
Yes.
are there any additional steps in connecting the data systems between the two companies? Between the
Um,
companies?
yeah, the additional steps. Are you talking about maybe future
Yeah,
steps? Yeah, okay. Well, again, we're every day, my team goes to work thinking about how we can serve our customer better with our technology and with our great products and with our tooling knowledge. And
right.
so I think that to answer that question about what may be in the future, I think if it fits into how we can serve our customer better, how we can get better information so that the CAM software that SolidCAM provides gives that solution in a more efficient way for a customer, or allows our customer to get a solution that allows them to do their operation more efficiently, we're going to do that. And I think we're always looking for those ways to do that.
Right. Okay, so how has the partnership with SolidCAM, maybe I'm repeating myself here a little bit, influenced innovation at Kennametal?
Yeah. So, and I probably might be repeating myself too, but the way we work with our customers, we try to really understand their needs today, but we also have folks who can anticipate some of the trends on, and we work really closely with some of the type of machine tool builders to understand what those trends are. And so, the more understanding that we have on our side of things, I think the better we can work with technology like the SolidCAM software in order to incorporate that technology into SolidCAM. And if we need to do something differently for SolidCAM to access that, we can do that. So it really starts with us. It really starts with the customer. It starts with the problems that they have, the challenges that they have, and the solutions that we know we can bring most effectively, and then partnering with SolidCAM to be able to access those solutions and that tooling that's going to benefit our customers. So it all starts with the customer,
Of
Linda,
course.
and then it goes out from there, right? And I think one of the things that we do really well that I think can be accentuated in our partnership is that we can anticipate, because of our expertise on the tooling side. We're out in the marketplace and we're seeing those trends. We can anticipate, and we have a full roadmap of new products and new solutions that we're bringing. So as we do that, we think about, okay, well, how can we most efficiently, have the partnerships like with SolidCAM to bring that kind of capability to our customers.
Like we always say, the customer is the king.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. Okay,
Absolutely.
so are there any upcoming projects with SolidCAM that you are excited about?
Well, I'm just excited about our partnership. And again, as we look for new solutions to serve our customers, I think SolidCAM plays in that. And I don't want to get into too many specifics, But I think that it's safe to say that the kind of capability with CAM integration, with CAM software, with our tooling and tooling knowledge, and getting those solutions to our customers, there's a good path of additional paths that we can explore as partners, and I would look forward to that. And I probably won't talk about specifics today, but needless to say, as the needs evolve, I think that our partnership will also evolve to meet that need.
For sure, for sure. So tell me, have you received any feedback from the Kennametal sales team and customers about the enhancements made possible by SolidCAM?
Yeah, I think our sales team likes to use SolidCAM, particularly if you have some complex solutions that are required, and some of the complex operations that are required. So once they access SolidCAM, can access our tooling, then they can go to work to provide the solution to our customers. So we have great feedback from our sales folks in particular, but I do know that it is a feature that's also appreciated by our customers as well.
Wow, I feel so good when you say that.
Yeah.
So let me ask you the last question. So what other technological advancements do you think complement the work with SolidCAM?
Yeah. So, I think that the tooling industry, is evolving, and I think the digital world is here.
Absolutely.
But the digital world is even with AI really starts with the data.
I was wondering
And
when we're going to talk about AI.
yeah, yeah. So, but AI is just AI until it's given until it can learn some things. And so, data is really important here. The data that that our customers can access, that our sales folks can access through SolidCAM of our tooling. But data is very critical here. And as we are looking at perhaps even adding functionality with some of our solutions, I think being able to access that through SolidCAM is going to be very important for the future. And so the more features and the more functionality that we bring to our customers through our tooling solutions, I think will be an important a benefit. And so we're always looking to do that. And, when that time comes, I'm sure that we'll be meeting with SolidCAM to make sure that we can have that seamless integration as we always have.
Of course, talk about AI. Emil, the CEO, also happens to be my husband, but it's okay.
Yeah. Okay.
He always says that HI is more important, human intelligence.
Yeah, yeah.
Right?
I mean, I think AI gets fed by HI, I think. And we need to remember that.
Right. Well, Carlonda, what can I tell you? We are very proud to be partnering with the partners of Kennametal. Thank you so much for this podcast. I think you shed a lot of light on some of our questions. And thank you very much.
Well, thank you very much for having me. Really appreciate the partnership. And I think I just look forward to the future.
Me too. Us too.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.